open your Reddit Ads Manager account, Pixel will be active on the website. This is my Pixel ID. Activate our event. So let me show you how to do it. Choose the trigger all pages. Copy the website and I will put it here. Reddit Pixel is working fine or not. As you can see. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic, and that is Reddit ads. As you haven't seen any Reddit video on my channel, but today I have some comment on my YouTube videos and they told me to tell something about Reddit. So in today's video, what I will let you know how to implement the tracking pixel code for Reddit in the backend of the website through GTM. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. First of all, you just need to open your Reddit Ads Manager account, and as you can see I have opened it, and then you just need to go to the Event Manager section. As you can see, we have the Event Manager section here, and once you click on it, you will see the tag. Basically we need to put this tag in the GTM account, like Google Tag Manager account, so that our pixel will be active on the website. I will show you how you can check your pixel is active or not, as this is my pixel ID. Now I just need to go to my GTM account, and here you can see we have a Reddit pixel which we can use for like I have already created it to like activate our event. So let me show you how to do it. You just need to go to the new tag option, and once you will go to the new tag option, here you will see discover more tag types in the community template gallery. So you just need to click on this, and after that you just need to find out Reddit pixel ID tag so that you can put the tag there. So here I will find Reddit. As you can see, now Reddit pixel is already added, as I have already created the pixel tag for the website, but you just need to find it here, and then you just need to click on the add button, and once you add it, you need to click on the choose template button, and here you need to put the ID, event manager ID, this one. You need to put it here, and once you put it here, and then you just need to choose the trigger all pages so that it will be visible on all pages, and you just need to click on the save button, and after that, as I have already created, it will look like this, Reddit pixel all pages. So now we need to check whether our Reddit pixel is working like perfectly fine or not. So I will copy the website and I will put it here, and there is an extension which called Reddit Pixel Helper. You can install this extension on your Google Chrome, and then you will check whether your Reddit Pixel is working fine or not. As you can see, now my Reddit Pixel is working. It is showing the ID. So now we just need to check whether our pixel is active in the event manager or not. As I have checked, page visibility healthy, it means pixel is working perfectly fine now. And this is how we implement Reddit pixel in the backend of the website. If you haven't used GTM, then you can directly put the code in the header section, but I will always prefer use GTM to implement the Reddit pixel code in the backend of the website. So this is how we do it. This is how we implement the Reddit pixel in the backend of the website. If you really like my video, do like, share, comment, and if you have any query or concern, and if you have any project, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. Thank you so much.